In this video, we will be accessing the on-screen display of an HD camera on a Sibell recorder. We're at the local interface here, so you want to right-click and select PTZ Control. Now from here you have two ways of accessing the on-screen display. The first one is to use the OSD menu and then select the Enter button in the center of your directional pad there. Alright, you just use the directional pad to navigate and use the center button as your enter. And we'll just exit out of this here, and then we'll show you the other way of doing it, which is going to preset. So you go ahead and navigate to preset, and then select plus iris. And now you're going to use the directional pad here, and then use plus iris as your enter. Alright, so again, plus iris will be your enter, so if you need to change anything, you want to use the plus iris to navigate through the menu here. And that's how you access the on-screen display on a Sibell recorder. Thank you for watching.